what is up? I am in my room right now with no makeup on, chilling in a sweater, comfy shorts. This is really random. I have a cat bed full of makeup beside me because I had nothing else to put it in and it was just looking like a good container, you know? And all of that means one thing. I'm doing a get ready video, just a chill chit chat. I say chill, but there's literally a tripod, a camera, a light, a whole setup. As chill as it can be, I guess. I like watching people just put their makeup on. I think it's relaxing. I love watching it when I'm getting ready in the morning, so I hope you guys are excited too. Before I get into the makeup, make sure you guys are following me on Insta and Twitter. And if you're not subscribed to this channel you're watching right now, then do that. Click that button. And if you want to get notified when I actually upload a video so you don't miss one, it's really good to turn on those post notifications and it'll notify you on your phone. I'm talking too much, so let's just get into the video. I asked you guys on Twitter just now to send me questions or just things you guys wanted me to talk about in this video right now. So I'm gonna look at that while I do my makeup and hopefully it's interesting for you. Yesterday was Sunday and I spent a lot of time outside, so I got a slight burn on my face. I'm very upset about it because I take sun protection on your face very seriously. I do not want wrinkles. I just want nice skin on my face. I was like traumatized from acne as a kid, so this sunburn situation is not good. Let's get into the makeup because literally I've been talking way too freaking much. First things first is primer. I'm using the Benefit Professional. It's my favorite because I have really, really large pores, especially right here. It's just really good if you guys have pores that you just want to minimize, just overall make the texture of your skin look better. I use it even without makeup. If I'm not wearing makeup, I'll use it. It's the best. We love. Then real quick, I love spraying my face before I do makeup with some sort of water or setting spray or like primer water. It's super refreshing and I just feel awake. So I've been loving doing that lately, and this is the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. I think this is new because they just sent it to me. This is supposed to be cooling and hydrating, so I feel like that's really good for my sunburn. It says it's a makeup setting spray, but I'm sure it's fine if you do it before, like as a primer, so we're gonna do that. I need to get into some questions while I do my foundation. Show you guys which foundation I've been using. For the summer, it's the IT Cosmetics CC cream with SPF 50. My spray tan is kind of still on me, but it's like more on the pale side. I've showered multiple times, so it's kind of like barely there. So I'm gonna mix these two. Someone asked, when will you have a meet and greet? I have 2 meet and greets planned this summer in different cities. One is in Canada and one is in the States. I cannot tell you guys yet what it's for or who it's with or exactly where it is, but you guys live in America or Canada, maybe I will be coming to a city. I'm doing 2, so super excited for the summer. It's kind of having to do with another big announcement that I can't say yet, which is really annoying. It's like something I've always wanted and I'm just so excited to tell you guys. I hate when people do this, I'm sorry. We'll move on. Will you get another pet anytime soon? I really want a dog. Alex was thinking of getting another cat. Like he was like, Louis needs a friend. And I was like, what? Like I want a dog before we get another cat. But Alex is not down with a dog because he just knows they're a lot of work and I know that too, but we just are at home a lot and we travel, which he brought up as a point to not get a dog. But I just feel like dogs are easier to get someone to take care of. Cats like to stay in their house. You can't really move them, but you can bring a dog to someone's house and like have them watch it and they'll be fine. I don't know. We will get a dog one day, but someone asked, how are you and Alex doing like for real after everything you guys wanted to work on, and how are things going for you now? Also, there was a lot of wedding questions. I feel like I've already answered that, so we still have no plans. Plan a wedding, you guys. Still the same on that, but I liked this question. She was like very, seemed like you cared, you know? Thanks, Essie. Esther, thanks girl. Me and Alex are really, really happy. It's just been like super chill. We're just like having fun. We just really want to have fun and like live life and not be stressed. We're really happy. I'm really happy as my own human. I recently did a video with my friend Nikki. I'll have a link below to the video because I haven't really talked about it. Nikki reached out to me and wanted to do a series on our channel. It's called The Truth About, and it was just such a breath of fresh air. If you guys want a real video and want to know about things that you might be going through, that I definitely still go through a lot. And go watch that video. I just felt so free afterwards, and I talked about it in that video, but I just really want to be genuinely happy for me, like within myself. Not anybody else. No one else can make you happy. You're the only person that can truly make yourself happy. So that's just what I have been kind of focusing on. I don't care about anything. I literally just want genuine happiness in life. That is what makes life fun. Like going through life unhappy, that's not gonna be fun. That's not gonna be a healthy life. So I feel like that's such an important thing. Mental health, physical health, just take care of yourself. You know, I feel like it's just so important. People are always worrying about others. Worry about yourself. That had nothing to do with the question about Alex, but yes, to answer, we are so happy and things are good. Okay, so next I'm going in with Shape Tape Concealer. Ooh, this is a brand new one, you guys. I've never used this before. Wow, that was satisfying. Placing it under my eyes and anywhere else I want to highlight my face. I do right here because I just feel like it's like a thing that I should do. I don't know. Nose, the forehead. Someone asked, when do you want kids or start thinking about them? So, I'm pregnant, just kidding. No. My sister's pregnant right now though, which is super exciting. We just surprised her in Montreal. She didn't know we were coming. We vlogged it, check out the vlog. But it was super fun. She cried, but I'm just like super excited to be an aunt and have the first like grandchild for my parents in the family. I've never held a baby, fun fact. Like, I'm kind of terrified. How have I never held a baby before? It's crazy. But yeah, so since I've never held a baby, I don't think I'm gonna be having a baby anytime in the near future, but definitely in a couple years, a few years, definitely more than 2 years. I feel like you can't really plan out your life like that. When I was in high school, I thought, you know, I'd get married at 24-ish and have babies like right. Like I thought 24 was old. I feel like you just can't plan your life. Like things happen and you never know. Like I definitely would want kids before I'm 30 because I'd want to be a younger mom and I'd at least want my first kid before I turn 30. I think my sister's a good age. She's 29, but I think 28 would be good. Someone asked if I have summer plans, like travel plans or just plans in general for the summertime. I go to Kelowna for my sister's baby shower, which is in Canada. It's really close to Vancouver. I'm doing something else in Vancouver. I think I'm going to Turks and Caicos, perhaps. I don't know if that's still happening. I'm going on some other trip. Oh, we're going to Turkey. I'm pretty sure that's still happening too. Those two I'm not too sure about. Things always happen last minute and it doesn't happen. I'm going to set my concealer and my face and stuff with some loose powder. This is Laura Mercier. Just gonna like dab a little bit. I don't bake or anything. I just feel like I get really dry if I bake sometimes. Someone said I should do some mukbangs, whatever. Let me know if you guys would want to see that on this channel because I've done it on the vlog channel and on other people's channels. So let me know if you guys would want it on this channel and what would you want me to eat and would you want me to do it with someone else. So let me know. Would you watch that? I don't know if I should do it on this channel. So next I'm doing eyebrows and I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4. First I'm just brushing out my brows because I need to brush them out to get like foundation that might have gotten in them. I'm just gonna quickly fill them in. I actually don't need to fill them that much in. I've been just growing them out down here. I really like the look of big fluffy eyebrows. While I do this, someone asked about collabs and if I'm doing any and how they want the OG collabs. I haven't collabed in so long on this channel, mainly because I'm just like scared to reach out to people because I'm just scared of rejection, even though I know they'd be down. I'd rather have people ask me or invite me into a collab, so I'm just like shy, even though they're like my friends. I just like don't reach out. And it's something I want to work on. If you guys want me to collab, who would you want me to collab with? And you guys should tweet them to tell them to collab with me because I can't do it myself because I'm just awkward. Then to finish off the brows, I'm using the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel to set the hairs in place. Then I'm gonna be doing, what's next? Ooh, bronzer. I'm using Marc Jacobs Omega Tantastic 104. It looks like this. Do you speak different languages? And the answer is yes. I've said this before. You guys know I speak French. Maybe you don't because I don't choose to ever do it, so you might not believe me. Because I just feel like I'm not good. I took French immersion all growing up I don't know if my accent's that great, so I just choose not to. But being in Montreal was really fun. It really like made me speak French and like remember things that I had forgotten, because if you don't like speak the language, you like tend to forget it. So I'm gonna contour my nose, and to do that, I do a little line here, sides, and then I do like a line here to make it look like more like buttony, I guess. I'm gonna go for like a super natural, chill, everyday look for my makeup today. What's your favorite thing about Canada? I love Canada. I'm so proud to be Canadian, even though I'm literally wearing a shirt that says Colorado on it right now. I love America too, but I just love being Canadian. I loved growing up there. Everyone's so friendly. Not that people aren't friendly here. I love living here. The weather is a lot better. Even though Canada has like really hot summers, but I just can't deal with winter. Like, it's not my thing, you guys. I couldn't live in Colorado. Like, I feel like I need to live somewhere hot my whole life. I can't do the winter anymore. And also, Canada has great healthcare. It's like weather or healthcare. There's good and bad to both. For the rest of my makeup, pretty much, I'm gonna be using this palette by Tarte. It's Aspen's palette, which I love. Like, shout out to Aspen, you did good on this palette. Like, I've been using it every day. Taking the blush, it's just so natural. We love a natural queen, you know? Someone asked, if you weren't a YouTuber, what would you be doing? And this is such a classic question. It's like a typical question to ask a YouTuber, because like literally what would we be doing? Like, think of your favorite YouTuber. What do you think they would be doing as a job if YouTube didn't exist? Like, sometimes it's really interesting to think about. I love home decor, decorating my house. Like, it's like something I find so fun doing. Taking the highlight, it's just something I really like. So I would probably be doing something like decorating, but then I'm like, am I really that good? So maybe I'd be like some sort of teacher. Actually, no, I changed my mind. I would be a wedding planner. This is really random because I always say how stressful planning a wedding is, but if it wasn't my wedding, I would love to do it, because I was so like into my sister's wedding and like helping her with ideas. I'm a pretty good planner. It just fascinates me. Everything with weddings and planning them, different venues and all that, like different things you need to plan a wedding, like I'm obsessed with. I feel like I would really love to be a wedding planner. So I like to highlight my nose a little bit and my forehead. Nice natural glow, you know. For the eyes, I'm just gonna do a few colors. Gonna highlight the inner corner a little bit with this like shimmery light color. Ooh, I have an acai bowl in the freezer right now, and I'm so excited to eat it. Hey babe, can you take my acai bowl out of the freezer so it melts? Thanks. And then I'm gonna also highlight the brow bone. Then I'm gonna do matte brown light color all over the lid, and then like a darker one in the crease. That's basically all I do for eyeshadow. Oh, and then I do the darker one on the lower lash line too. But while I do that, someone asked, can you talk about giving advice about body confidence or how to love ourselves? I don't have all the answers, but I can say the way I struggle with things is like, I always feel as if people are looking at me or people are judging me. I always have it in my head of what other people are thinking, and that's not really important. You don't need to worry about what other people are thinking. You need to worry about yourself. And that's something I would always do, is just like be paranoid of like, in the grocery store, I'd be like, wow, this person is looking at me right now. They think I'm ugly, like I'm not wearing makeup. I need to go home and put makeup on, like people are staring at me. And I think the best thing to help with that is realizing you have to have that click in your head to realize that nobody literally cares about what you're going through. That sounds bad. Literally no one cares about you. No, I mean, people care about you, but people that you don't really know, even your friends, like they're not worried about how you look. Like, unless they're a super crappy person that are like judgmental, you don't want those people in your life anyway. They're probably worried about their own stuff in their lives that they have going on that they're stressed about. You just have to have that mentality in your head to know that people aren't thinking about what you're wearing, people aren't thinking about how you look, your acne on your face. They're just worried about themselves and how they're gonna get by in their lives, their stresses that they have. Once you kind of realize that, I just find it easier to like not care. Just enjoy your life. Don't care about what people think. You're not alone. Everyone has insecurities. Literally, you might think that someone's the most confident person ever. They're the most least confident. People that look like they have their stuff together probably don't. Eyeshadow's done. I'm gonna quickly do mascara and lips, and then we are done. So I'm gonna curl the lashes, and I've been using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm using this, I've never used this before. It's Tarte's new brand called Awake. This is one of their lip balm type of things, sticks. This is in the color Nudo. I'm gonna try this out for the first time. Ooh, I'm loving it. Oh. This color is like the perfect natural lips. Ooh, it's like so moisturizing too. What is this? I highly recommend that, you guys. Like, it's so buttery and like, it's like a lip balm, but it has like color, like good color. I think I'm done. I'm not gonna do my hair just because I'm too lazy, and I'll probably just leave it like this today. This is just my hair natural, so we love, it looks fine. I do like to curl it a lot. Today's not the day. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what it looks like. It's super just glowy. This is like my everyday go-to makeup look. I really like it. I hope you guys like this video. It was just super chill and fun to film, so give it a like if you did like it and you want more videos like this, super chill talk chit chat videos. And let me know in the comments any other videos you guys want to see from me. Subscribe to my vlog channel, this channel. Follow me. I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!